Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word cushioning. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She sought comfort in the cushioning embrace of her favorite armchair after a long day at work. Cushioning refers to providing comfort or support, often by placing soft materials such as pillows or padding to protect or lessen the impact of something. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.